Has real estate investment ever piqued your curiosity? Well, it's time to delve into some intriguing developments in the world of real estate investing. Today, we're serving up a fresh news report, shedding light on the latest trends and platforms making waves in the industry. First up, let's discuss Modiv, a real estate crowdfunding investment platform. Formerly known as Rich Uncles, Modiv is making a name for itself with over $400 million in assets under management and approximately 10,000 individual investors. The platform offers commercial real estate investments through public non-listed real estate investment trusts, commonly known as REITs. With a minimum investment of $1,000 and 0% fees, it's an appealing option for those focusing solely on REITs. However, it's important to note that every investment platform has its pros and cons. For instance, Fundrise offers a lower account minimum and a wider range of investment options, while Ground Floor may suit those seeking shorter-term real estate investments. Moving on, let's talk about resources for beginner investors. A recent article listed the best real estate books to help investors grow their wealth. These books cover various aspects of real estate investing, including team building, location scouting, property management, and exit strategy planning. They also touch on different methods such as the BEAR method, house flipping, multi-unit investing, and more. And lastly, we have SigFig Investing, a financial technology platform offering robo-advising. With low management fees and a minimum account balance of $2,000, it's an ideal platform for beginners looking for automated investing and portfolio management, especially in low-fee commission-free ETFs and REITs. To summarize, recent developments in real estate investing reveal an exciting array of options for beginners. From platforms like Modiv and SigFig Investing to educational resources like books and communities, there are plenty of ways to dip your toes into the world of real estate. It's important to remember, though, that each platform and method comes with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. Thorough research and due diligence are vital steps in making informed decisions. So stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the fascinating world of real estate investing.